I'm Matty Semkowich, and I am teaching Handy Homeowner Bootcamp with Wild Abundance. I got into building skateboard ramps as a child, and what a great way to get to use tools and getting handy and learning from kind of scratch, just kind of figuring it out myself, scratching my head and learning how to use the tools that were hiding in the garage. My favorite tool, I think, has to go to the Humble Speed Square. It is that little alloy triangle that humbly sits in the tool bag and has so many purposes that we could talk about it for the entire day. And you can also make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with it. Nice flat corner, perfect for spreading. Has the nice grip on one end, that lip, great to hold on to. You'll never drop it. It's a handy tool. So the most challenging build that I've ever been a part of was building a river circus boat made to look like it was a shanty ready to fall over and look very antique and stylish, as well as being a seaworthy vessel. This was for a floating river circus that travels across North America.